Thanks, Jeff. You might have noticed with the last bill, auto insurance rates in Colorado are rising faster than any other state.
The consequences of more expensive premiums are rippling throughout the market, leaving many of us drivers vulnerable, even in the simplest of crashes.
I just had merged on to I-70 in Quebec.
Faith and her family were headed to her kid's birthday party.
Well, shortly after merging, there was a slowdown.
Faith slowed down, but the truck behind her didn't.
He hit my vehicle and we projected forward.
Her vehicle swerved.
And that's when he smashed us into the concrete median, causing majority of the damage.
A punctured tire and extensive damage to the back end.
It was chaos. My children were screaming and crying.
The scene of any crash, especially on the highway, is chaotic.
And I approached the driver and I said, I'm going to need your information. And he said, I have nothing to provide to you.
Faith says he had no driver's license and no proof of insurance.
I said, what's the name of your insurance? And he gave me an insurance name. He gave me his name and a phone number.
Colorado state law says that drivers in a crash must provide their name, address, and vehicle registration number. The driver only has to provide a driver's license if asked, and no proof of insurance is required.
And I made sure to go around the back of his vehicle and take a picture of his license plate.
He left the scene before police arrived, and Faith later found out that he has no valid insurance.
We're left with the responsibility of his damage now.
Colorado drivers are facing a nearly 80% increase in car insurance rates over the last 7 years. The national average is 23%.
That's a time we see an increase in uninsured motorists, and even though it's illegal, people are making that choice.
Carol Walker is the executive director of the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association.
And at least anecdotally, we're hearing that more people are going without uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage.
So, Carol, what do we do in a volatile market like this? What does the driver do?
You can protect yourself with the right insurance coverage.
My insurance coverage has the uninsured motorist coverage. So because he's uninsured, they will take care of it.
Faith and her family still have to pay the $500 deductible, an expense they were not expecting.
I'm fortunate, we're all healthy. We weren't injured.
Now, we did check with Denver police. While there is no basis for criminal charges in this case, Faith could file a report against the driver for not having insurance, and he could be cited for that.